Hello, everyone! Have you ever thought about how to make Christmas more magical and personalized? The holiday season is all about happiness, camaraderie, and of course, decorating your home. DIY Christmas decorations allow you to be creative while also adding a distinctive, personal touch to your holiday decor. Making your own decorations may be enjoyable, inexpensive, and a wonderful way to spend time with family. Furthermore, you can create exactly what suits your style and area. In this video, we'll look at simple and wonderful DIY decor ideas that will change your home this Christmas. Handmade Christmas ornaments. Handmade ornaments are a great way to personalize your Christmas tree. You may make them with simple materials like paper, felt, or even recycled stuff like bottle caps or old cloth. These ornaments can be customized with paint, glitter, or miniature holiday stickers. You can make stars, snowmen, and tiny Christmas trees. Handmade decorations not only add a distinctive touch to your home decor, but they also serve as keepsakes, preserving memories of time spent crafting with family and friends. They're also inexpensive and easily customized to match the theme of your tree. DIY Christmas wreaths. Creating your own Christmas wreath is simple and enjoyable. To give your wreath an authentic holiday vibe, add natural materials such as pine branches, holly, or berries. Wrap a wire or foam base in foliage and fasten with floral wire or hot glue. To add extra adornment, use ribbons, baubles, or bows. This DIY project not only enhances the appearance of your entrance door, but it also provides you the joy of creating something unique for your home. A handcrafted wreath is an environmentally responsible choice that showcases your ingenuity and style. Festive table centerpieces, a beautiful DIY centerpiece, may completely change your Christmas dinner table. You may create a visually appealing focal point by combining candles, pine cones, berries, and foliage. Mason jars or glass vases filled with fairy lights also give a whimsical touch. You can experiment with various colors and textures to complement your table setting. Making your own centerpiece is inexpensive, and you may utilize things you already have at home. It's a simple project that improves your holiday parties and makes them feel extra special. Hand-painted Christmas baubles. Making personalized baubles for your tree may be a fun and creative DIY activity. You can decorate basic glass or plastic baubles with festive motifs such as snowflakes, Christmas trees, or even names. Add glitter or metallic paint to make them shimmer beneath the Christmas lights. Hand-painted baubles make excellent gifts because they may be personalized with names or sentiments. This is a fun hobby for kids and a great way to spend a pleasant afternoon indoors while personalizing your Christmas tree. Rustic Christmas decorations. Rustic decorations add a warm, homey atmosphere to your Christmas decor. Create simple but appealing decorations using natural materials such as burlap, twine, and wooden pieces. You can construct garlands out of dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and thread, or make ornaments out of small pieces of wood or pine cones. Rustic decorations complement farmhouse or traditional holiday themes and are frequently more environmentally friendly than store-bought options. They add a natural, homey feel to your Christmas decorations while remaining eco-friendly and cost-effective, making them an excellent DIY option. DIY Christmas stockings. Making your own Christmas stockings may be a fun pastime that allows you to produce stockings that coordinate nicely with your holiday decor. Make one-of-a-kind stockings out of fabric, felt, or old sweaters. Then embellish with ribbons, buttons, or embroidery. Each stocking can be personalized with a family member's name, creating a treasured remembrance. DIY stockings bring a sense of warmth and tradition to your house and may be reused year after year. They also cost less than pre-made stockings. Eco-friendly wrapping paper. DIY eco-friendly wrapping paper is an excellent method to reduce waste during the holidays. You may make your own present wrap using brown craft paper, newspaper, or fabric. Personalize the paper by using stamps, paint, or drawings. To give a rustic touch, knot the bundles with natural twine and sprigs of pine or holly. Not only is this alternative more environmentally friendly, but it also helps your gifts stand out under the tree. Furthermore, handcrafted wrapping paper provides a personal touch to every gift. Handmade advent calendars. Advent calendars are a fun and festive way to count down to Christmas, and creating your own can be a rewarding undertaking. You can stuff little bags, cartons, or envelopes with goodies or other gifts. Hang them on a wall or set up a tabletop display. You can customize the calendar to match your family's preferences. adding drawings or numbers to each day. This DIY project is ideal for bringing excitement to the Christmas season, establishing a beloved family tradition that everyone looks forward to each year. Paper snowflakes and stars. Paper snowflakes and stars are classic DIY decorations that will add a joyful winter ambiance to your home. All you need is paper, scissors, and imagination. Hang them in windows, on your Christmas tree, or throughout your home for a quirky touch. Cut out several designs, ranging from simple shapes to more elaborate patterns. Then add glitter for extra dazzle. This craft is suitable for both children and adults, as it is simple to make and adds a lovely handcrafted touch to your holiday decor. Mason jar lanterns DIY. Mason jar lanterns are a simple and charming way to bring magical Christmas lights to your house. Fill mason jars with little fairy lights, or place a tea light candle inside to create a soothing glow. You can adorn the outside with snowflake cutouts and ribbons, or even frost the glass with paint for a wintry effect. These lanterns make lovely dinner centerpieces, window decorations, and outdoor accents. The soft, shining light produces a warm and festive ambiance, ideal for the holiday season. Conclusion: making your own DIY Christmas decorations brings a beautiful and unique touch to your holiday festivities. These DIY crafts, which range from handcrafted decorations and wreaths to festive table centerpieces and eco-friendly wrapping paper, let you show your creativity while also making your house feel cozy and festive. Not only are these decorations inexpensive, but they also provide an excellent opportunity to spend quality time with family and create memories that will last a lifetime. With basic materials and a little ingenuity, you can convert your room into a winter wonderland. So prepare for a fantastic Christmas with these DIY ideas.